Hi, Messi.
Hi.
Good evening.
Good evening, teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay. How was your vacation and why? How was your vacation? Tono told me
What?
that you met in why. Did you met with Tono?
Yes.
Wow. What did you do there?
Mm,
What did you do in why? Did you go swimming?
um,
Did you go swimming?
hmm?
Really? Did you go swimming? In why? Did you go swimming? No? Tono, Missy. No, Missy?
No.
Okay, Tono told me that, teacher, me and Messi met in Y. Why? Hey, now Tono, let us have this lesson. Okay, so we have here plate,
Plate.
okay. So we have the word plate. This is plate, Messi,
Plate,
plate. This one,
Plate.
glass,
glass.
Glass.
This one, read,
Bowl.
ball. Okay, this
bowl,
one,
Bowl.
how do you read this? Pepper,
Pepper.
pepper,
Pepper.
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 Correct. Okay, this one. How do you read this?
bottle,
Battle. Battle.
Bottle. Bottle.
bottle,
Okay, this one. This one.
spoon,
Spoon.
Spoon.
spoon,
Spoon. Spoon.
Spoon.
This one.
fork,
Fork.
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 This one.
salt,
Salt. Salt.
Salt. Salt.
Again, we have
bottle,
bottle. Go.
spoon,
Spoon. This one. Messi.
fork,
Spoon.
One. Fork.
Fork.
One. Okay, this one.
Fork.
Yes, this one.
salt,
Salt. Salt.
Salt.
Okay.
Salt.
Okay, next one. We have the word
manager,
manager. Manager.
Manager.
Correct. Very good.
designer,
Designer. Designer.
Designer.
Mhm. Designer. This one.
cushion,
Cushion.
Cushion.
Cushion. It's
Cushion.
cushion. Correct. Very good. This one.
olive,
Olived.
Olive.
Olived. Oh, it's olived.
Olive.
Correct. Very good. Okay, now look at the box of containers and cutlery. Okay, containers and cutlery. Cutlery means plate, scissors, spoon, and fork. Those are cutlery. Okay. Can you find the cup? Can you find the cup in the pictures?
Yes.
Where is the cup?
Cup. E.
Where do you think is the cup? Can you underline or encircle the cup?
The cup. E.
Yeah, where is the cup? It is in where? It is in here. Okay. This one, right? Okay. Now, please try to answer. Okay, here. Look at here, Messi, ha? Okay. Now, write what you can see. What you can see, Messi. Write what you can see. Add one word to its sentence. Example. This often made of metal. You use it to cut a meal. Okay, what is that? It is
Knife.
okay, a knife. Okay. Most people put their food on the round plate before they eat. Okay, number one, two, that's plate. You can find the answer in here, in the picture. Okay? In the picture. Okay, so go, right?
Write the chat.
Yeah, you write in the chat box or you write here. Go, Messi.
Yes.
Two and three. I often have a blank of lemonade after a ride on my racing bike. You want to have some soup, put it in the blank. Where do you think you will put the soup? Only put a little blank on your food because it tastes hot. What do you think is the hot? Okay, you can put it here. S and P. What is the hot?
S and B. I don't know it.
Hmm? Okay. Number one.
Um.
Three. And number four, only put a little messy. Because black. What is black? What do you mean? Is the salt black? Are you sure the salt is black? What
No.
is black? Oh yeah, it's not black. Okay. Number 4, you put a black. It's black, blank on your food because it stays hot. The salt is not hot, Messi. Go, Messi. What do you call the black blank? It's hot. What do you call this one?
You can different types.
You will put a black.
Ah,
Go. Oh, you skip if you want. Okay, number 5. Does your family buy milk or juice in a blank? Mine does.
um, in
Number 4, Messi, is pepper. Start with letter P. Pepper.
oh,
Oh, yeah, it's black. Yes. Number 4, 5. 1 and 2. Okay. 1, 3, correct. Okay. Number 5. Does your family buy milk or juice in a blank? Mine does.
is the
So,
family
Messi.
one
Uh-huh. It is
in
milk or juice in a, what do you call this?
cup.
In a cup? Are you sure it's in a cup? You will buy juice in a cup? What is this?
Bottle.
It is? Okay, it is bottle. Very good. Okay. You can use, correct? You can use a metal blank to mix different kinds of food together. Metal, what is it?
Metal to meet different kind. Uh, metal
You
to
can
meet
use a
different
metal
kind of food.
to mix different kind of food together.
Uh,
It is
uh, chopstick.
it is
Chopstick.
it's spoon or fork. Okay. When you mix, it is spoon or fork, right, Messi? You use spoon or fork. Okay, 5. That adds a little blank, not pepper, to meat. When he cooks it, what is it you will add? It's color white.
A little
A little.
salt.
Okay, let me check. Correct. It's a little salt. Okay, yay. Number 8. I know someone who prefer using blank to eat rice. You will use blank to eat rice. What is it, Messi?
A chopstick.
Oh, let me see. Oh, very good. It is chopstick. Do you know how to use chopstick?
Yes.
Oh, wow, really? Teacher Ann doesn't know how to use chopstick. It's hard for me. Okay, number 1, you read all so teacher can hear how you read it, Messi. Number 1, read.
Most people put their food on a round plate before they eat it.
2,
I often have a glass of lemonade after a ride on my racing bike.
correct. 3,
If you want to have some soup, put it in a bowl.
correct.
Only put a little black pepper on your food because it tastes hot.
Taste, taste.
Tastes hot.
Okay, hot. Okay, 5, very good, Messi.
Does your family buy milk or juice in a bottle? My dear.
It is a question, Messi, so you will read it. Does your family buy milk or juice in a bottle? Okay, that's question. Okay, so you have to read it like you are asking. Okay, one more.
Uh,
Does.
does your family buy milk or juice in a bottle?
Very
Dear.
good. Okay, yes, very good, Messi. Six, Messi.
You can use a middle spoon fork to mix different kinds of food together.
Yay, seven.
That adds a little salt, not pepper, to meat when he cooks it.
Okay, and number eight.
I know someone who prefers using chopsticks to eat rice.
Okay, yay, very good. So you read it properly. Okay, so always remember, Messi, if there is like this question, you have to read it as you are asking. Okay, don't forget that. Okay, now, we have here pictures. Four pictures, Messi. Picture number one, picture number two, and picture number three. Okay. Look at the picture and tell the story.
Oh my god.
Okay, number one. Let us see number one. Oh, I will put a number, ha. This is number one. Number two, three, and number four. Oh, you tell me the story of the two or the four pictures. Let us name the girl, or what do you name the name? Let us name the girl, Maria. And the boy is, wait ha, the girl is Mary, girl.
Mm.
And the boy is Tom. Okay. So please read a story. Okay, tell me a story about Mary and Tom. Okay. So you tell me. Okay, ready? Are you ready, Messi? Are you?
Yes.
Okay, go. Number one. Tell me what happened, number one. Go, teacher is listening.
The Tom and Mary go picnic in the garden.
Two.
Um, the weather is sunny. 2. Tom is Tom is uh, Tom marries a butterfly.
They're playing the butterfly. Okay.
Hmm. The number 3. The cow wants some flour and
The cow wants a flower, but the cow eats the, what's that?
the apple.
Correct. Eats the apple. Then what happened? What is Mary thinking? What is Mary thinking?
Mary put the flour and
What do you think Mary's thinking?
Mary feed the cow.
Eat the cow. Okay. And Number 4, what happened? Mary feed the cow. And how about Tom? What Tom is doing?
Tom is laugh.
Tom is laughing. Can you see Tom? Tom is laughing. Do you think Tom is happy? Do you think, Messi? Do you think Tom
Yes.
is happy?
Yes,
Why do you think Tom is happy? Because
because um
because
because Mary
Tom is happy because Mary,
feeds the cow.
Mary feeds the cow. Okay. Now, okay, so here. So we tell this the two names of the boy and the girl is Mary and Tom. How old do you think they are? How old do you think Tom and Mary? Like, what do you think? How old they are?
They are
They are like how old? Can you guess? Can you guess, Messi? How old are they? Can you guess how old are they? They are
kind.
they are are they 7, 9, or 10 years old?
10.
Oh, they are 10. Okay. Now, so where do you think they're having their picnic? They're having their picnic where? Where do you think?
In the park.
In the park, maybe, or maybe in the garden. What do you think is the weather?
Weather is sunny.
Oh, the weather is sunny, very hot, teacher. Okay. So we have here, it's very hot. Okay. Now let us have this one. Okay. Look at the picture and answer the question. Okay, wait ha. Okay, please look at the picture and answer the question. Okay, so this one. Okay, so look at, sorry ha. Okay, look at the pictures. Look at the pictures ha. Okay, picture will ask the question. Okay, number 1. Are these women in the countryside? Yes or no? Look at the picture, picture. Look at the picture here. Are these women in the countryside? Yes or no?
Uh, no.
Oh, where do you think they are? Where are they?
Moment is on city.
Oh, in the city. Very good. Are they working?
No.
No, do you think? They are working. Actually, they're working, but this is lunch break. You can see there's a computer. Okay. Are they having picnic? Are they having picnic?
Yes.
Yes, a little bit, teacher. Is the window open or closed?
Open.
Open. Is it sunny or cloudy outside?
It is sunny.
It's sunny, teacher. What can you see under desk? What can you see under desk? This one. What can you see under desk?
The computer.
Computer. What else?
Uh, Many paper.
Many papers. Okay, very good. So maybe, Messi, they are working. Yeah, they are working in the city, in the office, right? Because you can see computer and many papers, right, Messi? But the weather is very, very hot. It's sunny outside. Okay. Now let us answer this. Please answer the question. You read the text and answer the question. This is about Lucy, like her job. She's an office manager. Oh, Lucy looks out the window when it's hot and sunny outside. Okay, please try to answer the questions. You can find the answer here. The blank was fantastic last Thursday morning. Weather. Okay. Number two. What do you think the answer number two?
Lucy had to.
Oh, you can write. You can find the answer in here. Oh, very good. Yeah, sorry, Messi, teacher Ann today is not feeling well.
What?
Yeah, teacher is having a fever. Okay, go, you continue. Da, da, da. Okay? Okay na? Let me
Number
see.
7.
Wait. Important emails? Okay. Number 2. Okay. Lucy had to write a lot of. Oh, yay! Important emails that morning. Number 3. You read number 3. Messi, you read number 3.
A designer called Alice
Work.
worked in the office as well.
Very good. It's Alice. What is the name of designer? What is the name? The name is
Alice.
Alice. Okay. Number 4. You read number 4.
At 12 o'clock, the two women
Turn
turned
off.
off their computer.
Oh, they turn off their computers. Okay. Number 5.
Alice
Okay.
went to the office kitchen to get a cold bottle of lemonade.
Very good. Okay, number 6.
The woman listening to a CD of some birds singing.
Okay, they are listening to a CD of some birds singing. Okay. And number 7. What is number 7? You have number 7? Lucy?
Lucy wrote more than 100
100?
emails, and she also fixed a program that day.
Oh, she has lot of things to do. You can see in the picture. She has many papers. Okay. What is the name of the girl in the picture? The name is
Lucy,
Lucy and
Alice,
Alice. Okay. What is the job of Lucy? What is the job of Lucy?
uh,
Lucy is
Lucy,
what is job? Lucy is
uh, um, manager.
manager. Very good. She's manager. Okay. Lucy is a manager. Okay. Okay, we have here, okay, look at this, messy. So, very really, okay, like this big is so, this desk is so big. It means really. So when I say picture and that elephant is So, it means very or really big. Okay? Now, there is such a big desk. Okay? There is such a big desk. Okay? Such, it means one big, really, really big. Okay? There is such a big desk. Okay? Messi, you understand? Yes.
Yes.
Okay, here, let us go back here. That is such a good idea. Okay, Lucy, the family name of Lucy is West. Okay, and then, can you please read the story for me? Okay, go.
Lucy West likes being an office manager, but when it's hot and sunny, she looks out of the window at the view and dreams of holiday in the countryside. Last Thursday morning, the weather was wonderful, but there was so much work to do. Lucy turned on her computer and started answering lots, lots of important emails. At 12 o'clock, she said to Alice, a, a designer who worked in the room as well, "We need a holiday, but we can't leave the office. What shall we do?
Very
Let's
good.
have a holiday." He in Alan break, Alice said, "Turn off the computer." The two women moved the desk and computer and put a blanket onto cushion
Very
from the
good.
office platform down on the floor. Alice fit her blade
Huge.
to
It's
glasses
huge. Okay, huge. Huge, it means big. Huge. Okay, huge.
hood,
Late.
two glasses of and a cool bottle of lemonade from the office bar. A frozen kitten and went to some tea, olive and cookie from her shopping bag. Alice played a CD of with birds singing, and the warm light from the sun came through the open office window. The woman sat on the blanket, had the picnic, closed their
Close your
eyes, and
eyes.
dreamed of the spring in the countryside. It was difficult to start work again that afternoon. When Lucy got home, her husband asked, "Was it busy in the office today?" "Yes, I wrote 148 emails and fixed a computer program." And Alice finishes her protest. She lost, but we went on holiday too.
Okay, very good. Do you think it is true that Lucy, okay, wrote 148 emails? Do you think this is true? Do you think this is true that she wrote 148 emails that day? What
Um,
do you think? In the afternoon, what did he do in the afternoon? He just having a picnic in the afternoon, right? They did not work. They turned off the computer, right? Messi, they turn off the computer. They are not working. They imagine that they are in the, where are they? They imagine that they are in the, where? In the,
uh,
where are they? They try to imagine that they are in the,
countryside.
very good. You are in the countryside, teacher. They are not working. They are in the countryside. Okay? Yay! Okay. The story is about such a good idea of Lucy and Alice. Okay, they are not working and they imagine a holiday in the countryside, but they do it in the office. Okay, it's not outside, it's in the office. Okay? Messi?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much, Messi, for today. Teacher Ann will say goodbye. And I
Uh,
will. Oh. And I will see you tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow, I will see you at 9 p.m. Okay, Messi?
8 p.m.
Ah,
tomorrow.
8 p.m. tomorrow. Okay. Oh, wait. Yeah, 8 p.m. tomorrow. Sorry. Yeah, 8 p.m. tomorrow. Okay. I will see you 8 p.m. tomorrow. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Bye bye, Messi. Thank you.